I'm going to show how easy it is to make one of these molds with some paper clay. And I'll have all the items below for you to see what I'm using. This mold I'm going to use is called Laurel by IOD. I just put a little cornstarch in there. Use my paper clay. It's an air dry clay. Just push it down into the mold. Then I'm going to take some glue. Oh, I'll pop it out here first. Pop it out, and I've got a little bee. I'm going to take my glue. I use Titebond. Put some on the back. And then I'm going to put it on this chest of drawers that I'm redoing. Here's some little flowers down here that I did, and I just want a little bee eating some, taking some nectar out of there. So I'm going to put the bee on there. And it's that easy. It's moldable, so you can put it around corners while it's still wet with the glue, and then it'll dry hard. Once this is all dry, I'm going to come back and I will do a video on painting it. And then I believe I'm going to use, I think, a pearl type of wax on it, iridescent wax, to see if that'll make it shimmer a little bit. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.